Go! I'll just probably upload this to YouTube. Horseman does Rubik's... Unicorn Man does Rubik's Cube. The suspense in the eyes as he solves the cube. You can see the focus in the eyes. That still look. He hasn't blinked yet. Those crystal clear nostrils. Oh! In case you didn't know, somebody scored in FIFA. That determination, that spirit, you can see it through his face. Don't forget the horn. But in that face, as he makes the final twists, he's just about done it. As he makes the final moves. And he has done it! The whole Unicorn Man has done the Rubik's Cube. What do you have to say to that? There you have it, folks. Unicorn Man has done the Rubik's Cube. As he just chills back and admires his work. This is A.B. Green is signing out.